What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2002 Honda Goldwing Trike sitting right here behind me, and we're gonna walk around this thing and so you can see up close and in all the detail. All right, let's do it. You see that the Goldwing there. It does have the 1800cc motor, and it does have the Monarch by Lehman Trike kit on it. This thing is very nice. The fit is awesome. The color is cool. It's like a deep, like royal blue, kind of bordering into that purple a little bit. It's very clean. It has like 10,000 miles on it. You're not gonna want to miss out on this thing. So we're gonna go over this thing really quickly so you guys can see exactly what it's like. Everything here on the trunk and then up top is good. The paint is nice. And then the color is nice. Even just as simple as like how close the tolerances are and all this stuff, it's a nice Trike kit. There's your taillight. Also, I had the taillight up there on top. Here you can see the side of the wheel. See some of the stuff going on inside there. So one of the imperfections that I did want to point out on this bike, I was telling you how clean it is right here on this fender. There's a scratch. And it is a scratch. I can feel it. I can feel the texture of it, as well as seeing the discoloration there. But honestly, other than that, this bike's in great shape. So we have this on the fender. Got your passenger floorboard. Got the rider pegs. Has these floorboards here underneath, which is kind of nice. There's your shifter. Here's your passenger handle. Here on the seat is in very nice shape. I mean, these seams, everything is very crisp, very nice. Got the lumbar support there for the driver. Got the passenger seat. Got the passenger backrest. All this stuff is in nice shape. So yeah, that's that. Come around here a little bit farther. See, there's the side of the tank. Is in good shape. Come around here. We'll look at some of these buttons a little bit later, but it's got all the Goldwing buttons. Everything that would have been on the 2002 is there. Coming around, it does have the marker lights, the running lights, which is a nice feature to give you a little extra visibility. Here's the back of the mirror. Here's the nose. See the headlight there? That's in good shape. Here on this front fairing, or the front fender's in nice shape. Not a lot of marks for me to even point out. I kind of was like looking for stuff to really rip apart on the front of this bike, and it is not. It's in good shape. There's the front tire. I'd say that front tire is at what, 50 or 60%. But around here on this side, again, same as the other side, very clean. All that. There's that marker light there. From up top here, see the mirror. Side fairing. Handlebar, brakes. There you go, side of the tank there. Down here to the side panel. There is a mark. It's gonna come off there, look at that. There's some white stuff right above the Goldwing badge. There's your passenger floorboard, rider peg. There's the emergency brake, rear brake, and then there's floorboards underneath. You can see this side, a little bug dirt there. Over the top of the fender weld, looking good. There's that wheel there. Up here on the side, you can see this thing does have the big CV whips. Let's go up here, I'll turn this thing on. Well, we can look at so there's all the buttons for the radio and whatnot. Down there's the headlight, and then, has the air ride on it, the up and down. Does have reverse. You can see there. There's the dash. Turn it on, you guys can see it turn on. There at 10,171 miles. Make sure you check out Sean's test drive because there will be a few more miles on it. After that, let's make sure that the signals work. Got the front signal there. And rear signal there. There you can see all the brake lights in the back. Got your rear signal there. And front signal there up in the mirror. Turn this off. Start this thing up for you guys real quick. Alright, there's that. Like I said, guys, this is a 2002 Honda Goldwing Trike. Make sure you check out Sean's test drive. It's only got 10,000 miles and it is a very nice bike. Do not miss out on this one.